How to make a transparent header in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a transparent header in your Shopify account. So then to make a transparent header in Shopify, first of all you need to log in into your Shopify account. After you're logged into your Shopify account, it's going to take you to this kind of page. Here you'll need to tap on online store. So after you tap on online store, it's going to take you to this kind of interface. Here you need to scroll down a bit and go to three-dot icon. As soon as you click on it, a drop-down menu appears from the list and you go ahead and tap on edit code. Now it's going to direct you to the edit code done page or the theme page, and here you need to go ahead and click on theme liquid. On theme.liquid, you'll be able to see this kind of interface or the coding section right over here. After you access the code, you need to tap on Ctrl+F on your keyboard. And after that, you can see there is a search bar right at the bottom. Now type in /body. If this particular sentence or the word will be highlighted, so you need to look for it. As you can see, here's the particular code. Now what you have to do is you need to open up a new tab and then paste in the link that is pagespin.com/h2w1yahf. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to provide it on my description box. It's going to direct you to the coding section, and here you need to go ahead and select all of the code. Here you need to paste in the code right above the code that is boxed. Once you've done that, click on the save button, log out of your account, and after you're logged out, you need to log in, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see a transparent header in your Shopify. So this is how you can make a transparent header in Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.